Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is GSM based transformer monitoring system using Proteus. This is our abstract. Transformers are a vital part of the transmission and distribution system. Monitoring transformers for a problem they occur can prevent faults that are costly to repair and result in a loss of service. An innovative design to develop a system for monitoring the voltage, current, temperature, oil level, and to protect the system from the mentioned parameters based on the GSM. In this process, we design a transformer monitoring system using Proteus. Here we design a virtual transformer Proteus for the voltage current measurement and also for in the overloading. It is have a overloading or no loading, and also calculate the oil level indication and temperature of an oil. This is our main objective of our process: to enhance the better stability and to improve the performance, to design a virtual transformer, to maintain the stability, to maintain the lifetime of a transformer. Our block diagram. Our main block is the Arduino Uno, and then we divide it into the four parts: oil level detecting, temperature sensor, and voltage sensor, current sensor. Oil level detecting: here we detect the oil used in the transformer, and also the oil level temperature also detect in the temperature sensor. How the voltage vary to run in a transformer, and the voltage also calculator, current also calculator, and these four are calculated after the calculation part, and then it is displayed in a GSM module, and then also in the LCD display, and then virtual terminal. This is a flow. When we start the process, ultrasonic sensor is used for detecting the oil level. Here we also used for the temperature sensor. If the oil tank is empty, it display the tank is empty. If it is full, the tank is full. In this display in a LCD display, and also message is sent to the user in the GSM module. And then current sensor, and then voltage sensor. Here we use the voltage sensor. We detect the voltage. Here we use the no load and overload. And then finally GSM module, message received and displayed in a virtual environment. This is our overall flow diagram. This is our Proteus front panel. These are the components we used. Arduino Uno. This is a main part of our process. This is a voltage sensing, and this is for current sensing, and this is for temperature sensing. This is for oil leveling, and then finally our output displayed in a LCD. Here we use the GSM module for the message receiving, and then this is a virtual environment. Here we use the fan as a propeller for the temperature controlling, and this is a run button. When we execute this, our process executed. Here we see the output as in the virtual terminal, because we don't merge with the mobile number. And then here we display it's a temperature, oil level, voltage, and current. In a transformer, voltage and current are inversely proportional. So when we decrease the voltage, the current is increasing. And then oil level, for oil leveling, here we decrease the oil level. Here also changes in the oil leveling. And then if there is no load, so we just display as a no load. And then our relay is also in the off position. When we give the overloading, our relay is automatically turned on, and then it automatically back to the saturation point. 2500 is the this is our overall process.